Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove hard water stains from a toilet bowl. This will be an easy tutorial, but also a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this toilet bowl actually doesn't have any hard water stains. That's because I removed them relatively recently, and they're still gone, okay? So this method works. It worked with this toilet bowl. I had quite a bit of staining over here, and then quite a bit of staining along the top over here. It wasn't horrible to begin with, but it works. And if your staining is really bad, it's just going to take a little bit of extra elbow grease to get rid of it, okay? Now, I use just very simple cleaning vinegar, and that's why I like this method. We're not using anything harsh or anything like that. It's cleaning vinegar. It's a very simple cleaning product, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you a few different methods depending on how severe it is, and I'm going to show you each of the methods, okay? The first method is if your hard water stains are not that bad. Mine were not that bad to begin with, so what I did for that situation is you're going to get a decent amount of cleaning vinegar, okay? So I'm not going to use all this because the stains are gone, but you're going to pour a decent amount inside of your toilet bowl, okay? It's going to be mixed with the water in there. Then you're going to get a very simple toilet bowl brush. You can see the staining on this brush, right? Like I was scrubbing the stains out, and some of them ended up, discoloring the brush, okay? So basically, you're gonna get your toilet bowl brush, and then you're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna work at those hard water stains using that vinegar, that cleaning vinegar and water solution that's now in the toilet. So you're gonna just keep going around and around, scrubbing, and then you're gonna work your other stains wherever they are. You're going to keep scrubbing at them. The key is using a toilet brush because you can see this toilet bowl brush has these bristles which allow it to clean really well. It gives it some abrasion power, but you don't want to have too much abrasion because this is a porcelain bowl, right? So you don't want to scrape a lot of it off, but this has just enough abrasion to scrub without causing any damage to the materials of the bowl. It's a toilet bowl brush. It's meant for this. So if your stains aren't that bad, you just got to put some cleaning vinegar in there and scrub, and it's going to work really well. Now, the second method is if your stains are pretty bad, okay? So I'm going to place this to the side over here. If your stains are pretty bad, what I do recommend is that you use pure cleaning vinegar. Instead of mixing it with water, you use it by itself. So I would recommend that you get some cleaning vinegar, place it in a bowl, like a bowl or a pail or something to the side. And then you're going to dip your toilet bowl brush in that cleaning vinegar. Not the one that's mixed with water here. The cleaning vinegar that's in a separate bowl or a pail or anything that you're using, okay? And you're going to scrub with just cleaning vinegar, undiluted, okay? And it's going to work really well. It's going to work much better, but you're going to end up using more cleaning vinegar, but this stuff is pretty inexpensive anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much, and you're going to get your toilet bowl looking brand new again, okay? So the second method is to scrub with pure undiluted cleaning vinegar. Now the third method is if you have some serious staining up here, okay, over here, all along the edge of the bowl over here, right where the water comes out over here. If you have some serious staining over there, you're gonna have to leave the cleaning vinegar on there, okay, to work its magic and to sort of dilute that hard water stain. So it's easy to leave cleaning vinegar in the bowl because you just make sure your cleaning vinegar level is above, like you can fill it above where your hard water line is and just let it sit, okay, for a few hours. And the cleaning vinegar will sort of make it much easier to remove the hard water line in the bowl. But when it comes to the line up here, right, okay, on the underside over here, you need to find a way to keep that cleaning vinegar up there, okay? Now, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you an example of something you can do. Okay, so you're going to actually take some toilet paper, and I actually saw this on an article one time. So I wish I could say I made this up, but I saw this on an article, and it worked so well for me that I wanted to share with you as well. You're going to take some toilet paper, okay? And you're going to put cleaning vinegar on that toilet paper, okay? You can use pure cleaning vinegar, or you can dilute it with water. But you're going to get cleaning vinegar on that toilet paper. So I'm going to put some I'm gonna wet it with this cleaning vinegar and water over here. You're gonna take that wet toilet paper and you're gonna just sort of, I'll do it where you can see it over here. I'm looking at the camera now. You're gonna sort of just press it up against there. So as you can see, the toilet paper is all pressed up against here. And if there was pure cleaning vinegar on that cleaning vinegar would sit there and it would work its way to eat away at those hard water stains. And you're gonna do that all around the underside of this lip of the toilet bowl over here, and wherever there's a hard water stain at least, and you're gonna let it sit for a few hours. When you're done, all that you have to do is take it off, okay? Now, you can throw this out. I mean, it's toilet paper. You can throw it out. It's kind of up to you, right? I'm going to put it to the side over here. I mean, it is toilet paper, right? So you have to think about it like that, but it's up to you what you want to do with this toilet paper, whether you want to flush it down or throw it out. That's completely up to you. I'm just tossing mine over there in the garbage right now. But once it's done, then you scrub, and it'll come out much easier, okay? Those hard water stains will come out much more easily once you've let the cleaning vinegar sit on them for a while. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.